If you're looking for good automatic blinds, then look no further than this brand, and thank you so much to the seller for sending this to us. So this is what it looks like opening it up. It fit our window perfectly. So all we did was we measured and we did the inside of the window measurements, and you do have a couple different options for how you can measure, and they fit perfectly. So here is the install process. It was very simple and easy. So you just put these two brackets on. So we drilled them in, and then all you have to do is put the top of the blind in. So you'll just click it in just like this, and then you will be good to go. So I love the design of these blinds and how easy they are to use. So you can see on the top there, they do have the gray surrounding on it, which we really like as well. So here's what it looks like with the remote. And again, just super simple and super sleek design that we really appreciated, and we would definitely recommend to anyone to try these out. So here it is opening it up all the way. They are blackout shades as well, so it does get dark, which is great. And then you do have the option to press 25%, 50%, 75%, or to close all the way. So I love how you have that option, so it will go down just the amount that you want, or you can do it manually with the up and down arrow. This is in our basement, so this is really perfect for any space that you have. If you have a window where you are wanting just an easy way to close blinds and open them with just the touch of a button. So there is what the remote looks like. We would definitely recommend checking these out. Here's one more look. The material is just very high quality and it's such a great design. They do have multiple different color options depending on the style and what you're wanting in your space. They're thin as well too. So if you are looking for easy to use automated curtains, then I would recommend checking these out, and I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do.